Hello, freaks. Let's look at Jaime's outfit today. Okay, this is a very layered look. That's not actually a blouse, that is a dress under a skirt. And I also have a pants option, couple different Mary Jane shoe options, a hat, and of course, we're still on Jaime's underwear swimsuit kick. I love how real this is. It's like it's laundry day and we ran out of underwear. Okay, here's Jaime's look. It's a lot of different shades of brown, none of which match. Which actually isn't bothering me as much as I would think, except for this shoe right here. That's a little too tan. Um, Other than that, it's just too many layers, but then a hat and no sleeves. So I don't know what season it is, and I don't know what kind of look this is. The skirt makes me think it's like an office look, so maybe I'll stick with the brown and kind of go that direction. I think the first thing is to get out of these pants. Maybe instead of this kind of casual hat, I have another idea. I used to wear this thing all the time in like, I want to say the 2010s. It's kind of doing weird things to my hair, but yeah, it's not a hat, it's like a headband that keeps your ears warm. I don't know if there's another name for these things. Nobody really wears them anymore. All right, so my shoes match now. I definitely wouldn't wear a swimsuit and this dress is like bunching underneath this skirt. So I think I might actually try a different top even though it's not going to match. Oh, this dress is so cute though. I kind of want to keep it. I don't hate it over this skirt either, even though the skirt is straight and the dress is kind of poofy. I think it works better than under. Well, I thought this was going to super clash with the top, but I don't actually hate it. Hmm. I do feel like I need to acknowledge the pants under the skirt thing somehow. Let me see what I can do. I just remembered that I had the matching jacket to this skirt, and I don't think you can go this vintage anymore without just looking like cosplay, but I'm gonna play around some more. Alright, I went back to the dress because I just really like it, though I feel like right now I still look like I've been styled by Jaime. Part of the problem is because I wouldn't actually wear a brown bra under this because it has big gaps where the buttons are. Um, I thought I'll go for my swimsuit top instead since you can't see the swimsuit bottoms anyway. But the problem is the swimsuit top goes from like here to here, and I need it to go from here to here. So it's not even all the way down. And then you see it up here, which just looks kind of bad. So I guess I probably won't do that after all. Maybe I'll try the pants again. Okay, I'm tempted to just keep it as is, but I still think the black and white up here is just a little too much. Okay, I don't know how I forgot that I have a whole other swimsuit top for this swimsuit, and it even has mint green on it. It's a sign. Okay, I love this so much. I love the little pop of black and white right here. I think that was the perfect thing, and I never would have thought to wear a swimsuit top if it wasn't for Jaime. But I think we stuck to the original vision, and I feel so cute, even if it's a little bit dated. Oh, where would I wear this? I would wear this to a business meeting if the business were failing, and probably would continue failing. Would you wear this? Where would you wear this? Are you high right now? And who do you think won this look, Jaime or regular me? All right, thanks for watching.